What would you do if your favorite drink suddenly becomes your worst enemy? Would you pretend that everything is okay and then freak out? Or would you bring your do-it-yourself attitude and try to fix it?
Yes.
Unfortunately, neither of them will help your device.
No.
If you're a victim of your own delicious, energetic medicine, this is what Prime Tech Support recommends doing right away. Turn off your device. Don't let it run to avoid shortcuts. Disconnect all peripherals like mouse, flash drives, and printers. Remove the back cover and unplug the battery. To avoid further corrosion, take your computer to a reliable tech support company as soon as you can. Thank you for watching and have a good one!